vlog. Today, it's 1 o'clock, getting a late start again, because I slept in, and I took a shower this morning. But, I'm gonna make some pancakes. Oh, leftover pancake. So, there always seems to be a recurring problem whenever I reheat pancakes, and that is that they get really hard for some reason. Hopefully, if I do my awesome method correctly, by putting it into the microwave, like so. Closing the microwave. Not starting it at 12 seconds, no. Starting it at reheat. Boom! Now, the next thing you need for your pancakes, some whipped cream. I better do a taste test first. Oh, this isn't even opened. Don't want to be the first one to open the whipped cream. So, I don't think we have any whipped cream though. So I think I'll just have to open the whipped cream. You went to Olga's. I have no choice. I have no choice but to open this. We have to taste test the whipped cream. Good. So the thing to remember, the thing to remember when you're doing this is don't let flies, stay away. Don't let flies touch your food. The plate is probably hot, so you have to be cautious. And never forget the whipped cream. Now, to top it all off, oh shoot, gotta get some chocolate. Oh yeah, not excessive. This is not excessive at all. So there we go, we got my masterpiece. Beautiful. That's an issue, I had it in manual focus. There we go. My beautiful, beautiful food. To top it all off, let's put some whipped cream. Beautiful. Just realized two things. One, all my other footage from today is on my other SD card. And I got a new SD card, it's huge, 64 gigabytes. So I'm gonna have to do a lot of transferring, a lot of other junk. Another thing is, I need like an SD card holder, because I don't have anywhere to put my extra SD cards. Because who knows how long I could be out. Like this, it's gonna only record for 5.5 hours, 64 gigabytes. So I could run out of storage very quickly. I'm kidding. But anything could happen. Like I drop it in a pit, and I could lose my SD card. Good thing I have an extra, right? Abandoned treehouse. Oh, it smells like poop. What? Oh, there's a bug touching me. It smells like actual poop. All there is a chair and a bucket. Okay guys, I think that's it for tonight. Thank you so much for watching. And like, I'm only gonna put a little bit about the fireworks in, but like it's mainly because they're so loud and they aren't enjoyable to watch on film. So like, I just put a little bit in, not too much. I hope you guys enjoyed that little bit, but this vlog's gonna take me forever to edit. So yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with your friends if you enjoyed it a lot. And I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.
Yeah, no, no.